Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The effect of geographical factor on Islamic banking, sustainability, performance, and instrument variable quantile regression analysis. There is an ongoing debate on how Islamic bank contribute to bank sustainability. It is straightforward that Islamic ethics promote sustainability or called Maqasid Syariah. The paper intends to answer to effect of geographical factor on Islamic bank sustainability. We propose a theoretical and an empirical model to assess this relationship from a macro and micro database. We map the Maqasid Syariah concept into a microeconomic banking model that portrays the variety of Maqasid financing of Islamic bank across 10 countries. The ideal perspective of Islamic bank is achieving sustainability through a balanced scale between long-term solvency and prosperity. This aspect would impact society well-being and environmental protection. Aliyu Hasan, Muhammad, and Naimi. The previous studies that connect Islamic bank and sustainability include Akhtar and Zulkifli and Ismail. From Indonesia, Bangladesh, Uganda, and the rest of the world profit that Islamic bank reduce property. The channel that Islamic bank success in these studies, ethically Islamic bank are neither permit to charge interest nor risk shifting where applicable. Islamic bank face intense competition lead to the fragility of conventional bank. We need to reduce the ambiguity result by proposing different model and tool to confirm this issue. We should investigate to the fair analysis how to connection between those aspects is connected. We hypothesize that geographical factor stimulus the different to achieve Islamic bank sustainability and financial performance, but how much and which factor determine the magnitudes to contribute. Asemoglu, Johnson, and Robinson state that income difference is no longer a significant aspect of the geographical feature. We map the Islamic ethic of Maqasid Syariah closely into environment, social, and government activity as noted by Scholten and Van Spolster. The database consists of the macro and micro data retrieved from prudential and structural Islamic financial indicator from the Islamic Financial Service Board, containing quartile data from quarter 4 and to quarter 3. The data include countries as Afghanistan, Bahrain, Brunei Darussalam, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Malaysia, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, and the United Kingdom. The equation states that the financing rate in Islamic bank is the function of risk premium rate, RF, asset with control exogenous risk factor and deposit rate associated with the cost of investment and cost of deposit. This equation implies that Islamic bank financing is affected by risk management and deposit collection. Furthermore, this equation portrays activity across the heterogeneity of Islamic bank, where output is Maqasid financing that is affected by financial performance. Finally, regression that we employ this analysis the relationship between the geographical and Maqasid financing performance. We assume that each country has a specific factor that varies its Islamic bank. The result of IFKR in this table indicate the geographical factor on dummy of each geography of the right country share of the Maqasid Syariah. About 60% of the people, about 60% of the top country toward the most prominent Maqasid financing, such as Kazakhstan toward Pakistan. The countries located in the non-eastern hemisphere have a statistically significant impact on improving Maqasid financing with a 99% confident level. Otherwise, the IVR has eliminated selection bias on dummy oil production that instrument collection with dummy is. This dummy is variable confirm our hypothesis that country in the non-eastern region such as the Middle East or certain region has significant impact on Mercosur financing. Looking at the geographical system, most of the region conduct Sharia law and support that Islamic system exists in the economic system. This figure illustrates two relationships between two variables, currently parameter in horizontal line and the parameter effect. We conclude that our empirical model is close to our theoretical model that main research question from geographical factor effect Mercosur Syariah. This geographical factor positive effect Mercosur financing, other variables such as Paradia and process index in line with our theoretical model. We claim that Islamic Sharia law is essential to promote Islamic finance. Geopolitical factor that support the Islamic Sharia platform is a crucial factor to promote Mercosur financing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.